If you want to take a break from Instagram for some time, you will need to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so that you can watch more videos like this. First, open your Instagram app. Now, go to your profile and click on the three lines. After that, go to the Account Center option. Scroll down and select the Personal Details option. Here, you will see the Account Ownership and Control option. Click on it. Now, go to the Deactivation and Deletion option. You will see your Instagram account listed there. Click on it. You will now see two options: Deactivate Account, to temporarily disable your account, and Delete Account, to permanently remove your account. Select Deactivate Account and then click the Continue button. After that, you will need to enter your Instagram password. Once you enter the password, your Instagram account will be temporarily deactivated. Whenever you want to reactivate your account, simply log in and enter your password, and your account will be active again. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative content. That's it for this video. See you in the next one with a new topic.